Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt, and before we left Smoky Mountain Harley-Davidson with this ugly green bike, our friends from NoviStretch gave us a fairing cover and some saddlebag top covers. And it's pretty ingenious. It attaches with just a couple little things, top and bottom, and there's some Velcro in the back that goes around. Super simple. And it actually, we rode over, I don't know, 1,300 miles, and this thing is smooth as a baby's butt, and all the ugly stuff is on the top, of course. So check out NoviStretch.